Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I am Louise, an independent Pampered chef consultant. So it has recently been brought to my attention that not everybody knows what Pampered chef is. How can that be? So, what is Pampered chef? Well, we have been around for 40 years. We are under the umbrella of Berkshire Hathaway, who happens to be Warren Buffett, for those that don't know. We carry everything you can possibly need for your kitchen. Whether you love to cook or hate to cook, you still have to eat. And we make your job of getting dinner or lunch or whatever on the table that much easier. We carry all the basics. For example, a smooth edge can opener, a simple vegetable peeler, and of course you have to have a garlic press. We are known for our stoneware. We have a line of stoneware, and we have a line of metalware as well. We carry a bunch of fun bakeware, such as this adorable donut pan. We have a waffle stick maker and cute muffin tins and loaf pans. You need a cute pan or a tin? We probably have it. Check out our non-stick cookware. We have a whole set with the detachable handle. And guess what? Lifetime guarantee on this. We also carry a set of non-stick stainless steel. Now, moving on to the bigger pieces, we carry 3 sizes of cast iron, and brand new, we currently have 3 different pieces of our enameled cookware. Now, Pampered Chef does not disappoint with the electronic products. We have an ice cream maker. We have a deluxe cooking blender, which cooks and blends at the same time. We also have a pressure cooker, and my favorite is the deluxe air fryer. Some other products that we have are seasonings and rubs. We have sauces, oils, we have a vinegar, you name it. We are one-stop shopping with Pampered Chef. Now, to get these amazing products, you can place an order at any time with my personal website. Check that out below in the description. Or the best thing is by hosting a party. What does that mean? Hosting a party means you simply gather a small group of people, whether in person or currently just virtually. Those people place orders. Depending on their orders, you as the host get the host rewards. That means you get free products, 50% off products. Every month there's a 60% off product. How can you go wrong by hosting a Pampered Chef party? Now, the best thing that we have is our kit. You can become a Pampered Chef consultant yourself. I would love to help you get started with that. I have been in business now for 16 years. Never did I dream I would be doing this 16 years later. But I love my business as much as I did then now. So, please be sure to subscribe so you will be notified. Oh, ring the bell so you will be notified of any of my upcoming videos. Coming up soon will be a video of my top 5 picks. You're not going to want to miss that one. And be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. And as I always say, happy cooking!